welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So hi, today we'll be doing another review video, and for today's review video the product is this tattoo lipstick, and I think it is all over the internet right now, and I thought why not to get it one just to check it and also to make a video. Basically मैं बस अभी एक वीडियो शूट की हूँ where I showed you guys this product. It is the Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation, and also I thought of doing this a review video, but it was way lighter and so on. So I also compared it with this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the same shade. So kindly do give it a watch. I'll link it up in the I button if you want to really check this out, and if you want to see if this one will work for me or you as well. So yeah, so I thought why not to just make this one also. I didn't even change, but क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है. So yeah, we'll be going to review this tattoo lipstick that I got from Amazon. It is in the shade I Am Busy. I think they have like 4 to 5 shades in it. So yeah, but I thought this shade would I wanted to actually have like a deeper red shade or wine color shade, but the red one was out of stock, तो मैं ये ले ली. So basically मुझे ये शेड अच्छा भी लगा, and even I like the quote here that says I am busy, and it has also instruction manual given at the back that how to use it. But I think अभी तक तो you have watched at least one reel or one video of using this, so I don't think you need it. It's all over the internet right now, I think. Yeah, and this is, and ये Amazon के ना बहुत छोटे से डब्बे में आया था. बस ये इतना प्रोडक्ट है ना, बस इतना बड़ा डब्बे में आया था और बहुत छोटा डब्बा था. आई सॉ टाइनीएस्ट डब्बा फ्रॉम Amazon टिल नाउ. सो येस, लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई दिस आउट. मैं खोली भी थी, बट या लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई दिस आउट. एंड द MRP ऑफ दिस इज़ रुपीज़ 265. बट कोई ये नहीं बोलता कि आपको इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा शिपिंग चार्ज लग रहा है. दे से दैट फॉर रुपीज़ 265 यू आर गेटिंग दिस मच प्रोडक्ट, बट नो, it takes rupees 85 rupees. Basically this product takes you 85 rupees shipping charges only, so total आता है 382 or 62 rupees, and this means the product is of 362. shipping हम लोग क्यों छोड़े, because Amazon shipping हमेशा फ्री देता है above rupees 449 of course. but अगर हम लोग इससे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स भी लिए, but still it will cost rupees 85 for shipping. so this is the inner product. I think अभी तक तो सब देख चुके हैं. I saw many aesthetic reels doing like this, but since I don't have nails, so आप लोग ऐसे ही देख लो. So basically there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 20 what to say this, 20 Q-tips. I think it's called Q-tips, or yeah, I think it's cotton stick. It is written here cotton stick only. So I'm sorry if you know what it is called, kindly comment down below. I'm really sorry. So yeah, so basically 20 Q-tips के लिए तो 20 टाइम you can use one only once. मतलब एक से ज़्यादा आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. एक को एक बार यूज़ करो, ख़त्म. यूज़ एंड थ्रो वाला चीज़ है ये. तो मतलब एक प्रोडक्ट, एक लिपस्टिक का या फिर एक कॉटन स्टिक का प्राइस हुआ 17 रुपीज़ और 18 रुपीज़. 17 और 18 रुपीज़ इफ इट इज़ लाइक 365. अगर आप 200 से जोड़ते हैं दैन इट्स मच लेस, बट आई विल काउंट इट एज 365 ओनली बिकॉज शिपिंग चार्ज लगा है बहुत. एंड आई थिंक इट केम आउट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इंडिया और इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेड. मे बी that is the reason, or I don't know basically. So let's just try this out, and I really like the idea of it. I really like it. You can easily keep 1 or 2 in your purse if you're using a tiny purse. Then अगर लिपस्टिक हट गया then just लगा लो, ख़त्म. No need to take a lipstick only. इसको लो और ख़त्म करो. But if you see in a long run, I don't feel like it is worth the money. Just try this out, but for trying this out I need to remove my lipstick, so I'm using this Good Vibes Rose Hip toner and a cotton. I'll just remove it. It's very difficult to remove a liquid lipstick. what lipstick is this? It is the lipstick from NY Bay in the shade Hopelessly Romantic. And if you think ना कि मेरे साइड मेकअप लगाया उस साइड नहीं लगाई हूँ, it's not like for this, it's because of this. Actually I applied one on this side, another one on that side, तो बहुत uneven लग रहा है and I can see it. So let's just open one of it. कहाँ से खोले आप? This is how it looks like. It is like a proper earbud. I do have earbuds in my home. Yeah, one second. This two is quite similar. The basic difference is that इसके अंदर lipstick है और इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है. It's like normal cotton swab and this is a lipstick cotton swab. So yeah, so basically I saw in many videos that we need to break this and the lipstick comes out and pours here, comes out here, and then we need to apply it. But still I will be watching, I will be reading the instruction because I really don't want to waste one, because one costs 17.5 rupees. One end of the vertical broken, the horizontal mark, horizontal mark with the flow of the other end. Wait for the other end to be soaked to the lip. Wait, I'm really nervous, but why am I? Let's just do it. Chalo. As you saw, पूरा अंदर चला गया. Hands, then wait for the other end to be soaked with lip dye. So yes, it is soaked with lip dye, and now let's just use it. So this is like a very hot red, and I don't use such red. I thought it would be like a maroon or wine wala color, yeah, purple color actually, but no. You can also use it as a liquid blush. Eventually it dries up, so use it as a blush. और एक बार एक बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम लोग. The reason behind it, ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स रहता है, so you can use it multiple times, but we cannot use it multiple times because we cannot store it. So अगर आप एक तोड़ते हैं, make the most use of it. I wish I don't get any breakout, but yeah, this is really nice and insane. बस 19 बचा हुआ है. Really nice. And now let's just check if it is waterproof or smudge proof or not. It is smudge proof. थोड़ा सा निकल रहा है. It is थोड़ा. Okay, then it means that you need to let it perfectly dry. Then as you can see, dry होने के बाद it's smudge proof. And now let's check out water. I'll just take a little bit of toner in my fingertips. इट इज़ वाटर प्रूफ टू, मतलब थोड़ा सा निकल रहा है, टेंट अमाउंट, उतना तो हम लोग के लिक्विड लिपस्टिक में भी निकल जाता है. बट या it is a really good product. But if you ask me that whether you really need it or not, I'll say that no, you don't need it. You definitely don't need it. It is not worth your money. Like 365 के लिए बस 17 you can get one lipstick of Lakme or of Maybelline or any other good brand lipstick under ₹300 and you can use it like for a very very long time. But इसको बस हम लोग 20 बार ही यूज़ कर सकते हैं. And wasting 17.5 rupees for one use is not worth it. It's definitely not worth it. You make use one Lakme lipstick of 300 rupees for at least 2 months if you apply it on a regular basis. But still वो 2 महीने से ज़्यादा ही टिक जाएगा. 2 महीने तो मैं मिनिमम बोली हूँ. So, but I don't think it's worth it. But if you wanna experiment and see how it goes and whatever, then you can definitely get it. And if you think you have a lot of money, then also you can get it. I got it just to check out and make a video. Yeah, this is the Karwa search. But yes, if I was like a normal person just taking it like for using it, I would definitely not go for this because I am very confused. So I got it just to make this video and I think it is worth the video. It is worth the video, and moreover it is also in trend nowadays. I saw it all over Instagram, so I thought कि why not to make a YouTube video out of it. Other than that, this is a really good shade. इसमें बहुत टाइम तक ट्रीटमेंट रहता है. You can use one. अगर इसका ऐसा कुछ होता ना कि you get a cap to just close it and then after that you can use it another time, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. So I don't think it can be used again. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे रख दी then I don't think I'll be using it after 2 hours. But अगर इसके पास थोड़ा cap होता, it will have a cap, then it will be more versatile and more useful even. So yeah. And of course you cannot like use and give it to somebody else like तुम भी use कर लो. So ये तो नहीं हो सकता. So definitely one time use के लिए है ये. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe button, also the like button. I will see you next time with another video. Bye bye gems.